Hey, this is my new vacation project. I was just stepping out of my garage. Hey Google, ask Mike Q to close the garage door.
I'll work on that.
And that's it. And I get the notification that it's closed. The cool thing about this was this was the cheapest IoT device I bought. I believe it was only $39. It was called MyQ. So you have you can access it as an app. As well as you can hook it up to Google Assistant. Once again, Alexa sucks because they moved out the app to operate. There's no custom app in Alexa to operate this. You only have it in Google, but it's paid. It's $1 a month.
Ask me if your garage door is open or closed, or ask me to close one or all of your garage doors. How can I help? That garage door is closed.